What is dwell time? Well, let's get into it. Dwell time is the recommended time that a cleaning product, a liquid, needs to stay wet on a surface to properly kill the germs, virus, or bacteria that it's intended to kill. Not every cleaning product is a disinfectant, so not every cleaning product has a dwell time. Not every cleaning product kills viruses because they are cleaners, not disinfectants. Disinfectants and sanitizers kill viruses and germs. Cleaners don't. They clean, they don't disinfect. You'll see the dwell time written on the label of the disinfectant in the back. It can be anywhere between 30 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. And that means you have to leave that liquid when you spray it on the surface for 30 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even 30 minutes, so it can kill whatever germ or bacteria or virus that it's intended to kill. So if you're spraying your disinfectant and then cleaning and wiping it right after, you're not disinfecting, you're not killing anything. If anything, you're wasting product because you're not disinfecting. You're just cleaning it right off the surface. You're not letting the dwell time sit. You're not letting it sit for the recommended dwell time so it can do its job. You also really need to read the labels because not every disinfectant can go on every surface. For example, you can't use bleach on wood or on natural stone, it'll ruin it. You can't use vinegar either because it's acidic on wood and natural stone. So you really have to read the label and know what cleaning product or what disinfectant can go on what surface, how to properly use it, how to properly dilute it if you need to, and what the dwell time is so that you can properly disinfect the surface that you're looking to disinfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-oily cleaning tips. Make sure your notifications is turned on so that you'll see when I post a new video, and feel free to comment with any questions or concerns that you may have so that we can interact because I love to share. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.